The value of WyoTech's Applied Service Management program is that it really offers students the chance to learn one of the things that's a primary concern for the industry right now, which is soft skills. They learn how to deal with customers, they learn how to deal with people, even learn how to deal with themselves to a degree.
If you're driven, you have long-term goals, it's a good way to start your future. So if you're always thinking about your future, it's the most important class to take.
The classes that we have through ASM is human resources, shop management, management concepts, computers, HR, and accounting.
We even get into some personal finance, how to go about pursuing a career in the auto, diesel, or collision industry.
I'd say the benefit of taking ASM would really just be setting yourself up for success, no matter what you end up doing in your career. This class provides life values and life lessons. The fact that they're getting that exposure to it now here in an educational setting versus going out and having to learn the hard way, that in and of itself has so much value.
How ASM helps me become an asset right out of the field when I'm working for somebody else is I really get to understand how management works and why they make the choices they make.
Taking ASM is going to help me be an asset to any company I go to. Being able to take a management or leadership spot pretty easy if I need to, or if I'm asked to step up and take that position.
ASM has been helping me with communication. I think that'll help me more in my speaking skills so I can teach others or talk to customers and to associates. In the real world, communication is key. You gotta talk to one another to get your goals done.
ASM is helping me prepare to run my own business by teaching me a lot of management skills. Right now we're doing a dream shop, so I'm designing, planning, and setting up all my different policies to run that shop hopefully in the future.
One of the major benefits of ASM is that in 9 months you get your associate's degree after taking your core classes and then taking ASM, which I think is way better than having to take a 2-year college course. You can just get out of WyoTech and go in the field.
After taking ASM and getting your associate's degree, you do get looked at for getting paid a little bit more, and it makes you more desirable for employers.
The kind of person that should take ASM is a person who has big aspirations, somebody who dreams big and really wants to accomplish a lot in life.
You know, leadership skills, the communication. If you already come into a company and you bring that as one of your strengths, you're in. I mean, you're absolutely going straight to the top, and the sky's the limit for you at that point. It's how far you want to go.